So you can go to this website called ILoveIMG.com, and then over here you can see photo editor is an option. You can also access the photo editor by going to the photo editor menu or by accessing it through more tools. Then what you can do is select out any image that you want to edit. So I'm just going to go and select out this image right here, and the photo editor interface opens up. So let's say I want to do a quick editing. That is, I want to crop out the image and transform out the image. So to do that, here you can see that crop and transform is an option right here. So you can go around and click on crop, and what happens is that you can immediately select out an aspect ratio. Click and drag this out wherever you want. You can resize this out, place it wherever you want, or you can go ahead and enter out the exact width and height as well. Like let's say, for example, I'm going to say 1000 by 800, and this is what you have, as you can see. You can go ahead and resize this out as well and click on apply right here, and you can see that now the image has been cropped onto that particular area. Now apart from that, you can transform as well, meaning you can go ahead and then rotate this out, as you can see. Like you can flip it out 90 degrees right here to the left or right. You can go ahead and flip out the image altogether as well, or you can go ahead and utilize the slider to rotate it out on a certain angle as well, just like this. So this is basically what you have. You can go ahead and apply, and then you can go to crop again right here, and then you can go ahead and click and drag this out right here. And then if you were to click on apply, this is what you have, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the photo editor's crop and transform option inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.